Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this LED work spotlight 10 watt, the model PAS10A2, 3 years warranty, power consumption is 10 watt, luminous flux is 1000 lumen, f120 degrees equal with 910 lumen, color temperature light color it is 6500K daylight white, protection class is IP65, 3 meters of cable, compact and powerful. Well, nice all that, let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Ooh, nice, I like this yellow Parkside logo. Whoa, the thickness of the cable is so huge. Wow, amazing. I like it. Definitely you will feel so protective when you use this spotlight at your work. You know how it goes on a construction. When we are walking, things are falling down and you may cut your cable accidentally. That's why the thickness is so huge. Compact and powerful for indoor and outdoor use. Bright LED module with a daylight white light. We've got a compact aluminium housing with a robust steel frame. Nice, I like that. Weather resistant and splash proof. Can be folded flat and store it away to save space. You can unscrew this and find the right location. Adjust it. Where you want to install it, how you want to install it, and light up the right spot that you want. It is a tiltable headlight. That's how it will help you to do your job better. We've got this handle with integrated folding hook. Pull that out and you can hook it wherever you want and find the right position to light up the space. We've got fittings for wall tripod mount. You can screw it permanently at the wall. And here we've got another hole for your tripod. Nice. Overall, I can say it feels very well manufactured. It is quite heavy. Nice, I like it. I like this matte finish. Plastic here for the handle. Aluminium frame. We can see the cable. It is very tight inside. No water, it will go inside. Well manufactured, nice. Well, let's turn it on, light up the space and see how much brightness it can give us. And here it is, guys. Definitely it can light up the space very well. But if the space is more than 20 square meters, I think you will need more than one spotlight. It costs about 13 euros and I think it's worth the money to buy it and light up the space and work better. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.